guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you want to see how I achieved this wavy pick and drop mermaid braids, they remind me of a mermaid, please continue watching.
This is the layout and the setup for my braiding session. I'm listening to my music in the background. I've got my biscuits on the side. I love the Expressions braiding hair. I want to try them in every color. I also like the Spectra. And this is a new edge control that I'm trying. It was £1.99 from Pax. So I have to give God thanks for my nape area growing. I remember praying about this back in 2012, 2013, and finally we're in 2022 and my nape area has grown. So what is it that they say? Sometimes God doesn't move when you want him to move, but he moves right on time. I don't know if you believe that or not, but I just have to give thanks that my hair has grown back at the back of my head. So I'm going to insert this clip because usually I miss this section of the braiding out of my videos. And really what I'm doing is just making sure that every day when I go in the shower, I'm washing the back of my hair, getting it wet with the water, and then putting a leave-in conditioner on the hair. And what gave me this idea was the no oils, no butter method that was going around earlier this year, because they were saying like the oils stop moisture from getting in. So I tested it out, and I've seen for myself, because within a month the hair started to grow, that too much oil can stop the moisture from getting in. So I'm not a wash and go girl, so I'll still use my oils. Can't get no privacy. I'll still use my oils, but I'm gonna stick to the no oils no butters method at the nape of my head and just use the water and the leave-in conditioner daily. So I have done pick and drop braids in my hair before, many times, and I've also worn the electric blue color before in my hair. I believe that was in 2015. This time I wanted to give it a try again for the spring/summer, and I wanted to do it in a different way, so I thought, why not combine it in the pick and drop method? And the results are absolutely stunning. I had so much compliments. I love the hair myself. And yeah, a lot of people are afraid to wear bright colors, but I would say just give it a try. And if your hair is colorful, then stick to neutral colors when it comes to your makeup, nails and clothes, such as black, white, brown, gray, beige, navy blue, light blue. Just stick to neutral colors, and so that way there's not too much competition going on. And I also added the black braid in hair because I didn't want the electric blue to be overpowering. And just to let you guys know, all I'm doing here is pretending to go in and start cane rowing the hair, and that gives me the best grip for my short nape. And it just takes practice if you want to start learning how to braid your own hair. I'm halfway through the head now, and all I'm gonna do is continue working from the back and showing you how I install the braids. So you want to get 2 pieces, loop them together, add your jam, make sure the hair is detangled, and then go in and act as if you're about to start a cane roll, gripping the hair. What I do, I separate my hair into 3 and I separate the braiding hair into 3, grip them onto each other and start braiding straight away. I hope that makes sense. One day I'll do a much better, clearer video. I plan to do a demonstration video, but yes, just fast forward and rewind as you please so that you can learn. At this stage in the braiding process, I just have 1 column left. I'm so happy. You can see that I'm frowning, I'm tired. It was like in the early AMs because I started braiding my hair late. So I didn't actually get a full night's sleep on this particular day. But I made it happen, I made it work because I had to get this done. Now all I'm gonna do is plait 6 plaits on each side of my head. I wanted to have nice crinkles or waves, and I wanted them to be tight. So that's why I did 3 braids on each side. If you wanted them to be looser, you would only do like 1 or 2 braids on each side. Then I go ahead to dip the plaits in hot water. I only do the front braids on camera, the rest I do off camera. So this is the next day. You can see I'm looking a whole lot more cheerful, and I'm just going to take out the plaits one by one, add the finishing touches to my braids such as the spray, the oil, the mousse, all of that stuff, and show you the end results. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. So off camera, I went ahead and created a braided scrunchie by just adding some of the braiding hair around it, plaiting it, dipping it in hot water, and now I'm going to use it as a ponytail holder and use it to also add some thickness at my ponytail base.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. These are my end results. I totally love them. Tell me what you think down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.